Good morning, everybody. It's time for another shave. And for today's shave, I'm going to be using Barrister and Mann Roam 2. I've been thinking about this soap and recently discovered that Lather Jade is looking for it. Because I was messing around in his life that this smells like eating grass with earth and worms included. It's a very special scent. It's not terrible, but it's different. It's different. Matching splash. For the brush, I'm gonna be using another one of my latest Oumo. Pretty cool pour. ST1 KNOT, dry loaded. Looking pretty good. Bikini. And for the razor, it's been a while since I used it, so I pulled the RazoRock Gold full of smudges. Let me see if I don't damage the edge of the blade. I'm gonna be using the Aylsworth blade again. I think it's the third use now. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see. Hope everybody's doing well in this beautiful Saturday morning. No, I saw that it's supposed to be raining today, and I'm like, great. Trying to do some, a lot of water. A ton of water, holy mother. Your word today. Wow. It took a lot of water. I think this is the veggie bus because I don't see tallow in the ingredients. Also, probably is gonna be another bleeder because the bump is still there. Yeah, it's already looking great. Pretty good already. Very nice. It blew up pretty fast. Look at that. Very creamy. Looking wet. Very nice. Just add a little bit of water and see how it gets. Very nice. Very nice. Let's get to it. Should be fine. It's like what? It's like 6 in the morning. I should have a little over 24 hours of glue. Pretty good. Been a while since I used the Gold. It's a pretty good razor. Definitely more aggressive than the 34C, which is inspired of, but definitely more efficient. Still smooth, fairly mild. Look at the lather. Wow, very nice lather. I really smell the greens. Supposed to have also tobacco and leather. To me, takes me to the mountains in Puerto Rico when I was a kid. I was born and raised on the countryside, so we used to play a lot outside on the mountains. Chasing cows. Or running from them. Very nice. It's been a great shave. And that veggie buzz, or that base, whichever it is, I believe it's the veggie buzz because I think it's so hollow, but it's performing well. So yeah, it's a very grassy, somewhat dirty scent, but at the same time refreshing. It's like being on the mountains. You're a kid, you're sitting on a hill, looking at the sun or the trees, feeling the breath of air, or the feeling the breeze, and you decided to chew on a grass pile. That's about my way to describe it. Definitely not a scent that I would buy at the ADP. I normally don't buy ADPs from the shaving soap, but this one definitely not. It's not cologne. I'm doing the same pass. Got confused. But yeah. This is a memory scent. It will take you to the mountains, it will take you to somewhere where you're gonna see grass. Grass, leather, maybe on a stable. pretty good. Pretty good razor, actually. Surprised. I have too many, so I keep forgetting. But obviously the ones that I have, obviously they perform well. If they don't perform, I don't use them that often. Asylum. Excuse me. Yeah, it's like there's a reason why you don't see me using the Asylum. And it's not that it's bad, it's just I have way too many better razors than that. But once in Blue Moon, I take it out and take it for a shave. Now I don't get rid of it because of how it is. It's a very different razor. So I keep it on the collection, that's for that reason. But pretty good shave. Let me see the splash. Probably gonna guess. Smell more dirt and leather, maybe. I'll see. I don't know, it's a very strong scent, but it could be the leather, I think. The leather on the tobacco. But anyways, pretty nice shave. I don't see any nicks. It was a really nice shave. Also, I'm surprised at the time, 12 minutes on a face lather, 5 passes. Huh. Damn, I'm getting Speedy Gonzalez. That was good. Well, thank you for watching as always. That's gonna be it for today. I haven't bought any soap, so I'm just finally using whatever the hell I have. Oh, that's why I pulled yesterday and today. I still have some soaps that I haven't used, but they are unscented, so they can win. They're not that biggie. But anyway, thank you for watching as always. Hope you have a great Saturday, and I'll see you on the next shave. Enjoy your weekend.